I got a Dell Inspiron 1525 laptop here. It doesn't want to charge at all. And usually the problem is with this DC power jack. I got the motherboard all taken apart, laptop. But that's the problem right there. And usually what goes bad is that center pin gets desoldered from the board, cracked solder joints, whatever. And usually the fix is just to resolder them and not have to replace this whole board. So I'm wanting to want to try it. Hopefully nothing's actually internally broken, because just resoldering these won't work if it is. Which I highly doubt it's broken internally. I see a cracked solder joint actually right there, right here. With a magnifying glass you can actually see it. So we're gonna resolder these and see if it turns back working again. I had to replace the screen on this because it was cracked, so this is why I have it all opened, or else I probably won't be doing this. So and of course, this is lead-free solder. Well, that looks pretty good, I think. And we got a hole in this one. Gotta redo that. I hate lead-free solder because this, I don't know, 120 watt soldering iron, 40 watt soldering iron probably ain't gonna do the trick, but if you keep it on there long enough, it usually works. Got a little too much on there. There we go. Let's look at that. Come on, focus. There we go. It still don't look too good. No, it don't. You know what? Let's go ahead and suck up all that solder and put brand new on. That looks 10 times better. So, I think that's going to work, hopefully. If not, I'll just have to replace this whole power board here. And that's usually only like 2 screws. There's one here. I took that one out because I thought I had to, but I didn't. There's actually supposed to be only this one, a few others on there, but yeah. I'll let you know in the description if it actually works or not. Alright guys, I got it all put back together. Remember how I resoldered the connections on the power plug? Well, I got the new screen plugged in. The other screen is back here. And you can see all the, yeah, it's all busted up. But the screen never really turned on, so I had to use an external one over there. But it never charged. So I resoldered the plug-in, and what happens, 0% available, plugged in, charging. Now I'm going to wait here for a few minutes, and hopefully it'll give me a percentage so I can show you guys. This has probably never ever been plugged in and charging for probably a year. I'm not sure when it started not charging. I just used it. Actually, this is a friend's computer of mine. He wanted me to fix it. So I just replaced the screen and fixed the charging port to where, you know, it would start charging again. It was just a couple cracked solder joints. And see what we got here now. 0%, but it's plugged in and charging. And like I said, the battery's never been charged for probably around a year. So it's probably going to take a while to get it from 0% to, you know, 1%. It's going to take quite a bit. But I'll wait here and see what we get here. And, you know, it's still trying to load up, so. It still says 0%. But it's plugged in and says it's charging. It may be because of the battery is so low, because it hasn't been charged in so long. It may take a while for it to start charging. Hopefully I'll kick off and start charging like it should, hopefully. But it says it's charging, so I'll let you know in the description if it start charges or not, and yeah, I'll let you know. Let's check it one more time just in case. Yeah, 0%. So yeah, I'll let you know. So. Alright guys, just want to prove that it's actually charging now. 1% available. Plugged in, charging. There you go. There's the proof. With just resoldering the points on here with a soldering iron, and that's about it. There you go.